Hello, my name is Kyle, and today I am going to be unboxing and installing a pair of SPELAB exhaust cutouts for my 2006 Mustang GT. We're going to unbox it, show you what all the kit comes with, and then take it somewhere to go get it installed. It should be simple. I got the cut and clamp kit, which means it comes with 2 clamps, so I don't have to get it welded, but I still might just in case. Alrighty, now here's the basic kit laid out on the table. Now my car has a dual exhaust, so I had to get the dual exhaust kit. This is just what you would get in a single exhaust kit. I still have the other pieces in the box still right there, just so I don't have to take everything out right now, but this is normally what you'll get. You'll get this Y piping here, and it's not flanged, so it's just easy to, you don't have to figure out how to slip it on and then cut and have a gap on the other end. You just put it in there, put these exhaust clamps around each end, maybe some silicone or something, some exhaust sleeves to hold everything in to make sure you get it airtight. It is recommended that you do get it welded around the edge, but if you're doing this at home and want to save some money, then that's another alternative route. They do sell these with the kit. They are an extra add-on. I will leave a link to everything in the description. So you have your Y pipe here. You have your gaskets in here. You have their very nice flange open here with a nice motor. It's all very thick steel. It's all weather grade. It's all heat treated, so it's not going to get too hot being next to your exhaust. These things are made to be in any weather. They're weather protected. So now, unlike some other exhaust cutouts, these ones just plug in. You run a wire and it goes into your 12-volt port inside of your car. Unlike some other exhaust cutouts from different brands that are vacuum actuated, these ones, all you do, in my case, they gave me this neat little Y connector. So I'll run my wires here, connect the extensions to this end, and then once I have both of them connected, connect one side into here, and then the other exhaust cutout goes into here, so it all goes down into one cable and gets ran through. In my case, I'm running it through the passenger wheel well and inside the vehicle to go to my 12-volt port that is inside of my glove box. Okay, so I've installed both cutouts. These are what they look like. So they provide you with the 2 gaskets which go on either side of the motor. And then this I've left all the screws just hand tightened just so I can adjust them as needed. And for these ones especially, put some Loctite on them to make sure they stay in there. This I will position when I get it under the car. And to run the wiring, they give you two pieces of wire and then a Y connector that goes down into this box, connects to the 12-volt. And then all gets controlled from this little key fob, which is very convenient. So if I'm at like a stop sign or something, I want to make my car loud, just click it open. If I pass a cop, just close them. It's pretty simple. It's pretty neat. Okay, so we're here at Exhaust Solutions. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut right into this part of the exhaust, and we're going to put the cutouts right there. And instead of wiring it to the cigarette port, what we're going to do is we're going to run the wires up through the engine bay and plug it into the fuse box so that whenever I turn the car on and off, they'll already be active and I can still use the key fob instead of remembering to plug this in every single time. So we'll get back once the install is done.